Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Skills with Shehreen. In today's video, I'm going to show you. Are you ready to start your YouTube journey and make money in 2024? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create a YouTube channel, whether you are on a mobile phone or desktop. I also show you how to start a YouTube channel from scratch and optimize it. So let's start. Open your Google account and type YouTube. Once you type it, then click on it. This is the first link. You can click on there and sign in your YouTube. Once you sign in, you can see on the top right corner logo. Click on there and then click on create a channel. After that, you can add your channel name or handle name. Channel and handle name should be unique, and then click on create. After clicking on create, click on customize channel. Once you click on customize channel, you can add further details of your YouTube channel. So I can show you how you can add the banner of your YouTube channel. Upload the banner. Banner should be according to the requirements. So I can adjust all these things and click on done. Once you upload it, you can add the description of your YouTube channel. I can add description of my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is related to my website, so I can add on there. After that, I can also add language of my YouTube channel. I can choose English language. Translation also be added on there of your language, so I can add or replicate as English. And then you can add the description of your YouTube channel on there and your YouTube channel name. And click on done. Once you have done it, you can also add different languages. Furthermore, add on there. Now I want to add the link, social media links of my these websites on there. It gives me more reach, so I can add Facebook account on there, Insta, Pinterest. That's how I can find the link of my pages. I can add LinkedIn page on there. I also add my TikTok account on there. It will give you your account, your channel more reach. Now I can add the detail of email. That's how people contact me. Add video mark. Video mark help to subscribe our channel. So you see all info are added. I review all my details to check all this is right, so I can click on publish. Once I click on publish, it takes few seconds, and then refresh my YouTube channel. After refreshing, it can be shown like this. It looks good. Now I can show you all these things can be shown successfully. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more design tips and tutorial. See you in the next video.